Who made it to day 10? You made it to day 10. What's up? Welcome. Today is day 10 of Uke Beatlemania and we are going to get started. Let's go. Alrighty, party people. This is a really fun song. The intro, we have C and E minor, each for 8 beats. Now I'll be doing an island strum, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the reason why I'm going so quickly through that strumming pattern is because we've covered it in the 30-day uke challenge. So I'll link videos here to help you with that strumming pattern. But since most of you have been taking my course, you're ready. So let's just do the intro if you know the song. If not, listen the first time. We'll do it again a second time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do the intro again. You can play with me now. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I know there are some overachievers in this classroom, so for you, I'm going to give you a little melody that you can play in the intro. So I'm gonna go way slower because this thing is crazy fast. Oh, look at all the lonely people. Oh, look at all the lonely people. So that part, we're gonna pick open A, add our middle finger to second on A, and leave that glued there because the rest of the time we're just coming back to it every other note. Okay, now I'm gonna add my ring finger on the 3rd fret of E and come back to that. So right here what we're making on the 2nd fret of A is a B, so I'm just gonna refer to it as B, okay? So we have A, B, G, B, F sharp, B, G, B, and then open string. And back to C chord. Oh, look at all the lonely people. And come back to that. Oh, look at all the lonely people. Then we have a verse. The verse almost exclusively stays on E minor. We do have one bar where we go to C, but then we come back to E minor. So those are the only 2 chords in the verse. If you're familiar with the song, do it with me. If not, then let me demonstrate this first time. Play it with me if you're ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. ELEANOR RIGBY, except the lights in the church where the wedding has been. Lives in a dream, waits at the window. Bring her face that she keeps in a jar by the door. Who is it for? And next we have a chorus. So let me play it for you first and then we'll do it together. This is where things do get interesting. So watch the first time. We're starting that section with an E minor 7. E minor 7 is like a G minus the ring finger. Then we go to E minor 6. So all that changes our index finger move down a fret. And then we're going to C chord and resolve to E minor. There's a really cool descending bass line there happening with our instrument. So it's going like this. Each one gets 4 beats. Try it with me. 1, 2, a little slow. 1, 2, ready, go. And that is all it takes to do Eleanor Rigby. So just for fun, because it wouldn't be fun without at least a little play along. Let's go intro, verse, and chorus. Here we go. Beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. So when I was planning like which song should I use for the end, I wanted it to be something amazing or crazy or the most difficult, and then I thought about it and I'm like, you know, it should just be fun. It just needs to be a really fun song. So Eleanor Rigby, in my opinion, was just a really easy, kind of fun, different. We have a few like funky chords, so it stays true to the Beatles essence. But it was fun. It's something that we can do in a day or two. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like more challenges, let me know which ones down below. Yeah, other than that, I'll keep in touch with you through the comments or through email or Patreon or wherever I find you. We'll be in touch. You can expect a few maybe unboxings and reviews after this, and then more challenges. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!